Good morning, all of you. How are you? Okay, fine. Let us discuss the remaining questions from the subtraction part. Okay. Question is subtract 617 minus 515. So first, if you got the question like this, first we want to arrange that in column wise. Okay, how we arrange numbers in columns? First write 617. Then otherwise we can first mark the place values, places, ones, tens, hundreds. How many digits here? 3 digits in each numbers. So first number 617. First we want to write 617. Which is the ones place digit? 7. Okay, 7. Then tens place digit 1. Then hundreds place digit is 6. Then minus or subtract 515. So ones place digit 5, tens place digit 1, hundreds place digit 5. Then subtract. So first we start subtraction from unit place or ones place. First one is 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. How we subtract? Okay, from 5 onwards we are counting. Which is the number just after 5? Yeah, 6. Then 7. How many digits? How many numbers we took? 2. So 7 minus 5 equal 2. Next, tens place. We are subtracting tens place digits. Which are the tens place digits? Both tens place digits are 1. So 1 minus 1. That you know. 1 minus 1 equal 0. So that is, if we subtract any number from the same number, we will get the difference as 0. Okay, then hundreds place digit. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is, 1. 6 minus 5 equal 1. Now what we got the answer? 617 minus 515. We got the answer 102. Okay, now we can check our subtraction is correct or not. We can use one method. You look, when we add these two numbers, that is the answer what we got here 102. That number when we add this, the second number 515. When we add these two numbers, what answer we will get? We want to get the correct answer 617. If you got the answer, the sum of these numbers when we got, we can add that two numbers. 515 plus 102. We can add this. First we are starting unit place. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0? 1. And 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now you look. When we add this number, we got the same number as this. First number what we got? We write here. From which number we are subtracted 515? From 617. So, when we add the answer with the second number, we got the answer, the sum, addition answer we got 617, which is the first number. Then our subtraction is correct. Okay, when we add these two numbers, if you got another number, then you want to think our subtraction is wrong. Clear? How we check our subtraction is correct or not? Add the second number with the answer. You look 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, that type we can check our subtraction is correct or not. Now next question, second question we can do. Second question is 937 minus 426. Okay, the question will be like this. Arrange in column and subtract. Okay, arrange in columns and subtract. So first we want to arrange the numbers in columns. How we can write? First we can mark the places, ones, tens and hundreds. Here only 3 digit numbers. So we mark only ones, tens and hundreds. First number 937. Ones place 7, tens place 3 and hundreds place is 9. From 937 we are subtracting 426. Ones place digit is 6, tens place digit is 2 and hundreds place digit is 4. Now we are subtracting 7 minus 6. What is 7 minus 6? Yeah, 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. And 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. So after 4, next number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We reached the 9 after counting 5 fingers. So 9 minus 5 equal 500. 9 minus 4 equal 5. So what is the answer we got? 937 minus 426. We got the answer 511. Now we can check our answer is correct or not. Which numbers we want to add? The second number, this 426. This type we can check. We can check our answer is correct or not by adding 426 plus second number 511. If your answer is correct, which number you want to get the answer? Sum of these two numbers, which number you want to get? 937 want to get. Okay, we can check 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 4, 9. So 937 we got, which is the first number. Okay, this time we can check our subtraction is correct or not. Okay, then one more question we can do with 4-digit numbers. Arrange in columns and subtract 8796 minus 5426. Okay, so when we arrange these numbers in columns, we want to mark 4 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so first number 8796. Ones place digit 6, tens place digit 9, hundreds place is 7 and thousand place is 8. Okay, minus. Next number 5426. So ones place 6, tens place 2, hundreds place 4 and thousand place is 5. Now we are subtracting first 6 minus 6. When we subtract a number from the same number, we will get the difference as 0. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 2. So starting from 3. We are counting from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers we took? 7 fingers. So 9 minus 2 equal 7. Now 7 minus 4. After 4, next number 5, 6, 7. So 3 is the answer. 8 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 3. Now we got the subtraction answer 3370. Now we can check our answer is correct or not. When we add these two numbers, we want to get the first number. 0 plus 6, okay, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 4, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, so our subtraction is correct. Our subtraction answer is correct. Okay, all of you understand how we subtract a number from another number? If it is 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit, all are same method. Okay.